Imagine a place on Earth more mysterious than the far side of the moon, a world of crushing pressure and eternal night. It's a realm where sunlight never reaches, and the silence is so complete it feels otherworldly. Down here, the rules of life and survival are rewritten, and every moment is a test of endurance. This isn't a distant planet, it's the Mariana Trench, the deepest known point in any ocean. Hidden beneath the vast Pacific, it stretches nearly 7 miles down. Deeper than Mount Everest is tall. It's a place so remote only a handful of humans have ever seen it with their own eyes. For centuries we've looked to the stars, dreaming of distant worlds and galaxies, but one of our planet's greatest secrets has waited for us in the cold, dark abyss. While we've mapped the surface of Mars, the ocean's depths remain largely unexplored, holding mysteries as profound as any in space. The trench defies our everyday experience. Its walls drop away into darkness, forming a landscape more alien than anything on land. Here, gravity, pressure, and temperature create an environment unlike any other on Earth. Here, the rules are different. The pressure could crush a tank, and the only light comes from strange, living creatures. These bioluminescent animals flash and glow, creating a living constellation in the blackness. Even metal objects are twisted and deformed by the immense force. It's one of the last true frontiers, testing the limits of our courage and technology. Only the most advanced submersibles, engineered to withstand unimaginable pressure, can venture here. Each dive is a leap into the unknown, pushing human ingenuity to its limits. For years, the deepest parts of our oceans were just blue voids on maps, unexplored, unknown. Early explorers could only guess what lay beneath, filling maps with blank spaces and question marks. The Mariana Trench was a question mark, a silent challenge from the deep. What lies down there? What forms of life, what secrets, what stories does it hold, waiting for us to discover? What secrets are kept in its darkness? Are there creatures we've never imagined or geological wonders that could change our understanding of the planet? To find out, we need a submersible built to survive a world that wants to crush it. Every bolt, every window, every inch of the hull is designed for survival, for a journey into the most hostile environment on Earth. Our journey begins not with a rocket, but with a descent, leaving the sunlit world behind, sinking into darkness and cold. As we go deeper, the water turns from blue to inky black, and the temperature drops to near freezing. We pass the last rays of sunlight, heading for Challenger Deep, the trench's deepest point. It's a place so remote, so extreme, that it feels like another planet entirely. This voyage isn't just about geography, it's about discovering the hidden wonders of our own planet. Down here, life has adapted in extraordinary ways, and the geology tells stories millions of years old. The abyss is waiting, holding secrets that could reshape our understanding of Earth. Are you ready to dive in? Let's begin. The last frontier on Earth is calling, and the adventure starts now. Just how deep is the Mariana Trench? When we talk about the deepest places on Earth, nothing compares to this mysterious chasm hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean. It's a place so remote and extreme, it almost feels like another planet. At Challenger Deep, the trench's lowest point, it plunges nearly 11,000 meters, about 7 miles, straight down into the darkness. That's deeper than any other oceanic point on Earth, and it's a depth that's hard to truly imagine. If you dropped Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain, into the trench, its peak would still be buried over a mile beneath the surface of the water. Even the highest point on land is dwarfed by the trench's immense depth. The trench dwarfs anything on land, a vertical world beyond imagination, with sheer walls and a darkness that seems endless. To put it another way, if you stacked 13 Burj Khalifas, the tallest skyscraper on Earth, one on top of another, you'd barely reach the surface from the bottom. The scale is almost impossible to comprehend. Standing at the bottom, you'd look up through a column of water as high as a cruising jet. With the surface so far above, it would seem like a distant, unreachable sky. The trench itself is a massive crescent-shaped scar on the ocean floor, stretching over 1,500 miles long and up to 43 miles wide, longer than the entire state of California. Its landscape is filled with dramatic ridges, deep valleys, and mud volcanoes that spew liquid sulfur and carbon dioxide, creating an environment unlike anywhere else on Earth. The pressure at the bottom is over 1,000 times what we feel at sea level, enough to crush metal, distort materials, and challenge even the strongest submersibles built by humans. Every meter down is a journey into a more hostile, alien world, where sunlight never reaches and only the hardiest life can survive. Here, Depth isn't just a number, it's a force that shapes everything, from the landscape to the extraordinary creatures that call this abyss home. How did such a deep chasm form? The answer: Earth's tectonic plates. Our planet's surface is broken into massive plates, drifting slowly atop the mantle. The Mariana Trench is where the Pacific Plate collides with the Mariana Plate. The older, denser Pacific Plate dives beneath the Mariana Plate, a process called subduction, creating the trench. This process began tens of millions of years ago and continues today, making the trench an ever-changing geological feature. As the Pacific Plate sinks, it melts, fueling volcanoes that form the Mariana Islands. This region is part of the Ring of Fire, known for earthquakes and eruptions. The trench is a living, dynamic engine of our planet's geology. Here, the Earth recycles its crust, creating and destroying in a cycle that spans eons. The silence of the abyss hides a story of immense power and transformation. Scientists once thought nothing could survive the trench's crushing pressure and darkness. But life thrives here, strange, resilient, and unlike anything on the surface. Many creatures glow with bioluminescence, lighting up the eternal night to hunt, hide, or communicate. Gelatinous snailfish, giant amphipods, and single-celled xenophyophores have all adapted to this extreme world. They feed on marine snow, organic debris drifting down from above. Yet even here we find plastic bags and microplastics, evidence of humanity's reach. The trench is both a testament to life's resilience and a sobering reminder of our impact. Even the deepest places are not untouched. How do creatures survive such pressure? Through remarkable adaptations. Deep-sea organisms have special molecules, piezolites, that protect their proteins from being crushed. Most lack swim bladders. Instead, they have gelatinous, water-rich bodies that match the pressure outside. Their bones are flexible, their bodies nearly incompressible. In total darkness, some create their own light, while others rely on heightened senses, touch, smell, and vibration, to navigate and hunt. Life here moves slowly. Cold and scarce food means slow growth and long lives. Every aspect of their biology is tuned for survival in the abyss. These creatures don't just endure, they thrive. The trench is a masterclass in adaptation. Life finds a way even in the most extreme places. Reaching the bottom of the Mariana Trench is a story of human ingenuity and courage. In 1960, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh descended in the bathyscaphe Trieste, braving the unknown for nearly 5 hours before touching down at Challenger Deep. They saw a flatfish, proving complex life could exist even here. For decades, no one returned. The technology was too limited. The abyss kept its secrets, visited only once, then left in silence. In 2012, filmmaker James Cameron piloted the Deep-Sea Challenger, equipped with cameras and robotic arms, spending hours filming and collecting samples. His dive marked a new era, combining adventure with science. Now, the trench is no longer a myth, but a place we can visit, study, and explore. Each descent pushes the boundaries of what's possible. The abyss is no longer silent. Our curiosity has broken through. The final frontier is closer than ever, and we're just getting started. Today, technology is transforming trench exploration. Victor Vescovo's limiting factor, a titanium sphere, has made repeated dives routine, opening the abyss to science. Special syntactic foam and advanced batteries turn submersibles into mobile labs. Robotic explorers, AUVs and ROVs, map the seafloor, collect samples, and film deep-sea life. These machines can stay down for days, gathering data without risking human lives. We're creating high-resolution maps, deploying landers to record months of data, and using DNA sequencing to discover new species. The trench is slowly giving up its secrets. We're moving from snapshots to systematic science. Every dive brings us closer to understanding this hidden world. The age of deep-sea discovery is here. Why explore the trench? It's a natural laboratory for life's limits and Earth's secrets. Studying its creatures could lead to breakthroughs in medicine and biotechnology. The trench is a hotspot for earthquakes and volcanoes. Monitoring it helps us predict disasters and protect lives. Its hydrothermal vents may hold clues to the origins of life on Earth, and possibly on other worlds. The extreme conditions mirror those on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus. If life thrives here, it might exist elsewhere. The deep ocean regulates our climate, absorbing heat and carbon dioxide. Studying the trench helps us understand the global carbon cycle. Pollution found here warns us. Our actions reach even the deepest places. To protect our planet, we must understand all of it. Our journey to the trench reveals a profound truth. At our core, we are explorers, driven by an insatiable curiosity to uncover the unknown. This quest is not just about discovery, it's about understanding our place in the vast tapestry of life. The Mariana Trench stands as one of Earth's last frontiers, a compelling call to push the boundaries of human knowledge and seek answers to questions we have yet to ask. Each dive and every discovery serve as a poignant reminder of how much we still don't know about our own planet. The mysteries of the deep challenge us to learn more. The trench invites us to observe with humility and to marvel at the intricate complexity of our planet's ecosystems, which have evolved over millions of years. As technology continues to advance, the abyss will become increasingly accessible. Imagine a future where permanent observatories and fleets of intelligent robots tirelessly map its secrets, revealing wonders we can only dream of today. This frontier will be explored by a global community, united in their mission to protect and preserve our planetary heritage for future generations. The trench acts as a mirror, reflecting our hopes, our ingenuity, and our enduring desire to understand our place in the universe. It challenges us to think beyond the surface. Exploring it teaches us invaluable lessons about geology, biology, and ultimately, about ourselves and our capacity for wonder. The greatest mysteries aren't just in the vastness of space, they're right here, hidden in the depths, waiting patiently for us to uncover them. The journey to the abyss is a quest to understand our world and our profound connection to it, a journey that enriches our understanding of life itself. And that is a voyage worth taking, a journey that promises to expand our horizons and deepen our appreciation for the wonders of our planet.